I have this young man, and his name is Sajid Yusuf Shah.
I know Sajid Yusuf very well, Pooja.
Yes.
He's a gem. He's the ideal man for this kind of a
He's hope.
situation.
He's
Please
hope.
go ahead and speak to him.
Yes, thank you. Because while General Hasnain has often told us how we all need to get together, and of course the security situation only then will depend. The army is on the job. The problem are not the jihadis, because they will be neutralized by our alert forces. But Sajid Yusuf, the man you see on your screen, was one of the few people to be organizing a gathering, a candlelight march at Lal Chowk. It was an unprecedented situation. And Sajid, but what I must also add is I was slightly disappointed because I was expecting perhaps a bigger response. I was expecting more people to join you like it happens across India. Do you think what you did last year, and we are running those visuals of your gathering and candlelight march on our screens, that more Muslims from Kashmir across the world need to come out and send a message of solidarity, because that will build perhaps a bigger consensus, Sajid?
First of all, Pooja, I want to thank you for bringing me on your show. Likewise, I completely endorse the Saeed Atasnain sir, whatever he said, that the civil society members have to come on forefront so that we can save the Kashmir Valley. If we will go through the history, like in 90s, how things happened in the past, I was not born at that time, so the thing is, whatever happened is happening right now in the Kashmir Valley, because as a civil society member, or as a Kashmiri, or as a journalist, it's my right to protect the minorities. Like you you mentioned that few days back we held a candlelight march at Lal Chowk. Even yesterday I spoke at the Lal Chowk. I openly challenged Pakistan-sponsored terrorists that this is not the 90s which you are trying to bring it back.
Yes.
Like my brother Bituji was talking about, I feel his pain. Whatever he was saying is I completely agree with him. But the thing is, we should not be dependent on the government. That government will protect all the people, be it minorities, Kashmiri Pandits, Kashmiri Sikhs, as well as Kashmiri Muslims. If you see in the past, how many Kashmiri Muslims were killed by the Pakistan sponsored terrorists?
Correct.
How many pro-nationalist Kashmiris were killed? They were also the human beings. Whosoever speaks idea of India in the Kashmir Valley is getting killed. And when we talk about the whole thing, we should include the Kashmiri Muslims as well, who are getting killed.
Yes, I think that's a very good point.
You said that the thing is, recently we held a candlelight protest at this Lal Chowk, and you saw very few people were joining me. But the thing is an initiative. If you see, today it is 1, tomorrow it can be 10. Then day after you will see thousands of people. It's just beginning.
I think that is exactly the note. Yes, that is the note. I think we can end it here, because there's some more news coming in. I'll have to wrap up this. But I'm so thankful that Sajid and people like General Hasnain constantly building confidence measures. And today's an initiative. More people listening and watching today will come together, because we cannot have a repeat of the 1990, and only Indians today can come together strongly with the government to ensure that does not happen. Thank you so much, General Hasnain, Sajid Yusuf Shah, and also Bittu.